Jeremy here from Holley Performance, and today we have Courtney and Leanne from Team Mustang Girls. And they drove Courtney's 1965 Mustang, how many miles?
420.
How many hours was it?
7.5.
How many were you awake?
Maybe 2.
All right. All the way here from North Carolina just to see me. Well, actually they came to join the Holley crew on the 2018 Hot Rod Power Tour. But first, we're gonna freshen up the engine bay with a brand new Ultra 650 double pumper. Because this one has how many miles?
About 200,000. We've been driving it ever since. It's Project Road Warrior, Mustang Monthly's project car, and we've taken it to Alaska and back, cross country about 20 times, and yeah, we've definitely worked it out a little bit.
All right, well good. I also
But
heard...
I have to say, it's still running perfect. It doesn't actually need this. It just needs a little, freshening up because I live oceanfront and salt air is not good for anything on a vehicle, especially a classic car.
I hear you. And I also heard that once we get it all on there, you've got a little plan on how you want to break in the new carburetor?
I do. I mean, what better way to test all the power than doing a big burnout? We brought 2 spare tires so we can put them on, burn them out, ditch them, and continue on the Hot Rod Power Tour. And hopefully we'll win the contest.
There you go. That sounds like a plan. Let's go ahead and get started. Hey Courtney, will you take this carb over to the bench and we'll swap out the fuel line?
Sure thing.
Ta-da! All right, Courtney, it's ready to go in the car.
Awesome.
Courtney, go ahead and let her prime and see if she'll fire up.
Will do. There?
Yeah.
Yeah.
First hit.
Hell yeah.
Well, girls, that didn't take us very long at all.
Not at all. Now it looks as good as it sounds.
All right. Well, I say we get out to Beach Bend and see what this old Mustang can do. Don't forget to like us on Facebook and follow us on Instagram for more updates on the Hot Rod Power Tour 2018.
Hot Rod Power Tour!